Hello, lovely students. Welcome to Silence Classes e-learning platform, where you will learn maths topic in easy manner from basic to advanced step by step. Today, we are going to continue with the chapter number 1, Knowing Our Numbers of Class 6 NCRT. Okay. We have already done some topics. If you want, you can watch my previous video where we have already learned how to compare the numbers, or we can do a comparison between two numbers or more than that to find out the greatest and the smallest number. Okay, apart from that, we have already learned that how to find out or how to make the greatest four digit numbers and the smallest four digit numbers where the digits are given equally, means four digits are given. And apart from that, if it is written in the question that you have to repeat one number twice or two number twice for making the numbers, we can do that also by repeating the numbers. For making the greater number, we have to repeat the greatest number or the largest number twice, and to make the smallest number, we have to repeat the smallest number twice. Okay, now next we will move to the question number 3, making the greatest and the smallest four digit numbers using any four different digits with condition as given. Means in this question you have to use different digits by your own, but there are some conditions given to you. You have to follow those conditions to make that particular number. Okay, for an example, let's take number 1, A. Digit 7 is always at ones place. So we know, if I will write it down, the number line means ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Because we have to make the four digit numbers, so we have to write ones, tens, hundred, thousand. And the condition is given that 7 is always at the ones place, means we have to write it down 7 on the ones place. Okay, so ones place we have written 7. We have written 7. Okay, now it is given that four different digits. If we have to make the greatest number, okay, so the greatest number from 0 to 9 is 9. So write it down 9 as a greatest digit. We cannot repeat the digit because it is written that we cannot repeat the number. We have to use four different digits. So we cannot repeat any number. Then we will move towards the second smallest number, that is 8. Now we have to move the third smallest number, or we can say the third greatest number, that is 7. But we have already used 7 over here because the condition was given that 7 is always at the ones place. Okay, if the 7 is at the ones place, so we cannot write it down 7 on the tens place, because if we will write down the 7th on the 10th place, so 7 will come twice. But condition is saying you have to use four different digits, means you cannot repeat the number. So now we will look the fourth smallest or the fourth largest number, that is 6. That is 6. It means 9867. 9867 is the greatest number we can make by using four different digits, in which 7 is always at ones place. 7 is always at ones place. Okay, well, check it out, the answer 9867. Okay, now if we have to make the smallest digits, if we have to make the smallest digit, okay, and 7 is always as the one place, means 7 will there in the ones place only. Okay, so I will write it down 7 at the ones place. Now we have to make the smallest number, then what we can do, we have to check it out, the smallest number or the smallest digit we are having in the number line. Okay, that is 1. Okay, the smallest number is 0, but I have already told you that we cannot start any number, okay, by 0, by 0. Okay, so we have to take 1. Now I have already told you that 0 can be there on the second place, 0 can be there on the second place, then we will put 0 over here. Then the second smallest number, that is 1, we have already written. The third smallest number, that is 2, that is 2. The number is formed 1027. 1027 is the number which we can make by using the 4 different digits, okay, where 7 is always at the ones place. Okay, now we will move towards the next question. Okay, if you guys knows these things, and if you want to do a revision, so you can speed up the video, okay, at 1.5 or 2x, and you can watch the videos, okay, completely, so your revision will be done. Now if we will talk about the second question, B1, we have to make 4 is always at the tens place, means tens place is occupied, we cannot repeat 4. Okay, we cannot write 4 because 4 is always there at the tens place, it is written over there. So okay, so we will write it down ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Okay, thousand. Tens place is already written, the tens place is having the digit 4. Now if we have to make the greatest number, means G, the greatest digit we are having, that is 9, we can write it down 9. Then the second largest digit, that is 8. Okay, and tens 4 will be there. Then the third largest digit, that is 7, that is 7. It means 9847, it means 9847 is the greatest number we can make by using the 4 different digits. Okay, 4 different digits, this is very important to read it out, the 4 different digits. Okay, we cannot repeat any numbers again. Okay, that is very important. Now we have to find it out the smallest, then again we have to write it down ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Ones, tens, hundred and thousand. Now what we have to do, we have to check it out the smallest digit, but 4 will always there in the tens place. So 4 we have written. The smallest digit is 0, but we cannot use 0 in the starting. Okay, so we will use 1. Now we can use 0, we can use 0. Then 4 is already there. The third smallest number, that is 2. It means 1042 is the smallest number we can make by using 4 different digits, where 4 will always at the tens place. Okay, I hope you guys are understanding. I hope you guys are understanding. We are repeating the same formula, or we are doing in a same manner, because I have already told you that you have to check it out from which number, from the digit the greatest number will start, and from the digit smallest number will start. Okay, the smallest number will always start from 1. Okay, if there is no such condition is given that we have to restart the number by 2 or 3. Okay, if there is no condition, then the smallest number will always start at from 1, and the greatest number will always start at 8. We cannot write 0, we cannot write 0 in the starting, because we have to make the 4-digit number, and if we will write 0 in the starting, then the value, the 0 is having no value, okay, over there. Okay, I hope you guys are understanding. So next, the digit is given 9. 9 is always at the 100 place. Now the condition is saying that ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Now the question is saying that 9 is always at the hundreds place, means 9 will always there in the 100 place. Okay, now we have to repeat, now we have to start, if we have to find the greatest number, then what we can do, we have to start the number by the greatest digit. But I have already told you that we cannot repeat the numbers twice, because there is no such type of condition given. We have, the condition is there that we have to use four different digits. So 9 is already used, so we cannot use, or we cannot write 9 again. Then we will move towards the second largest number, that is 8. So we will start the number from 8. Then we will move towards the third largest number, that is 7. Now the fourth largest number, that is 6. Okay, the number is coming 8976. 8976 is the number we can make by using the four different digits. Okay, you can check it out, all the digits are different. Now what we can do, we have to find it out the smallest number. For the smallest number, the same condition will be applied. 9 will always at the 100 place, so ones, tens, 100 and 1000. 9 will there at 100 place, the 9 will there at hundreds. Now we will start the number from 1. Okay, start the number from 1, because 1 is the smallest number from which we can start any number, okay, now we can 9 is already written. Now the smallest number we are having, that is 0. Then 1 is already used, then 2. 1902 is the number by which we have find it out. Okay, the smallest number which we can write, okay, by using the four different digit. Now let's move to the last question of this. By using the four digits, we have to make the greatest and the smallest, and the digit 1 will always at the thousands place. Okay, means 1000 place now is occupied by 1, means ones, tens, 100 and 1000. In thousands place there will be 1. We cannot remove 1 from here. Okay, by this we have to make the greatest number. So 1 is already written. Now we have to move towards the next digit. The next digit, we are having 9 as the greatest number digit, so we will write it down 9. Then the second largest number, that is 8. We will write the third, that is 7. Okay, and okay, so the number which we are getting, that is 1987. 1987 is the greatest number which we can make by using the four different digits. I hope you guys are understanding. There is no such type of hard and fast thing. Okay, you just have to listen my words, okay, and be calm and be patient. You will learn each and everything. Okay, you have to check it out. Now the greatest digit we are having, that is 9, and the smallest we are having 0, but we cannot start any number with 0. Okay, if there is a condition, make 4-digit number, 5-digit number, so we cannot write any number, start any number with 0. Okay, otherwise that 0 will not counted. I hope. Let's try the smallest one. Okay, first of all, try to do it by yourself. Okay, I hope you guys have done. So please check it out. 1 is already there. Okay, ones, tens, 100, 1000. 1 is already written over here, means at the 1000 place there is 1. The smallest number, the smallest digit, we can write it down, that is 0 at the 100 place. Now the third smallest digit, that is 2, we can write it down, and the last, that is 3. Now 1023 is the smallest number we can make by using the four different digits. Okay, I hope you guys have understood how to make the digits using the numbers, four different numbers. Okay, where there is a condition that this digit will be there in this place only. Means if there is a condition that you cannot remove this number, 5 will be there at one's place, 6 will be there at hundred's place, so you cannot repeat that particular number again. Okay, now we will move towards the next question. Take two digits, say 2 and 3, means there are two digits given to us, say 2 and 3. Make 4-digit numbers using both the digits equal number of times. Means make 4-digit numbers. We have to make the 4-digit number by using the digit equal number of times. Means 4-digit number, if we are using 2, so we have to write it down 2 times and 3 2 times. Okay, because then only we will use the number of times equally. Means 2 times, 3 2 times. Okay, means we have to use these digit equal number of time. Okay, we have to use these digit equal number of times. Now we will move towards the question. Which is the greatest number? Which is the greatest number? Okay, by using 2 times and 3 2 times, because you have to write it down the 4-digit number using both the digit equal number of times. Equal number of times means 2 times, 3 2 times, equal number of times. Which is the greatest number? Now how we will form the greatest number? You know, the greatest number will start from the largest digit, so we will start from 3. And I have already told you, to make the greatest number, if there is a condition that we can repeat the number, we have to repeat the largest numbers again. Okay, so I will repeat 3. Okay, then we can write it down 2 and 2. Okay, which is the greatest number? The greatest number is 3322. 3322. Here I have used twice and 2 twice. Okay, means I have used the digits equal number of times. I hope you guys are understanding. Means there is a condition that we have to use both the digit equal number of times. We have to use equal number of times. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to make the smallest number. We have to make the smallest number. To make the smallest number, you guys know that for making the smallest number, we have to find it out the smallest digit present over there in the question. The smallest digit is 2. Then I will write 2. Now to make the smallest digit, we have to repeat the smallest numbers once again. So 2 is there, I will write it down 2 again, then 3 and 3. Okay, now the smallest number we are getting is 2233. 2233 is the smallest number which we can make using these two digits. Okay, now what the third question is saying. Okay, please listen carefully that what the third question is saying. How many different numbers can you make in all? Means while using 2 and 3. Okay, how many different numbers can you make it all? How many numbers we can make? Okay, so first of all, 2233 is there, so we can make the first number. We can make, write it down as it is, 2233. This is the first number we can make. Okay, now the second number, 3322. Okay, we can move these two numbers in front, 3322. Now the third, there is no such type of condition that simultaneously we have to use that number. We are not having such type of condition. Means we have to just use this digit equal number of times. Okay, so we can move 3 over here and over here. Okay, so we can write it down 3. Now we can write it down 2. then again 3, then again 2, like this. Okay, fourth question, we can write it down 3, 2, we will move 2 over here, 2 and 3. This is also way we can make the number. Okay, now we have already used 3, now we can use 2 in front. Okay, like fifth one, 2, 3, 3, 2, like this. And the sixth one is 2, 3, 2, 3, like this. Okay, so these are the 6 ways we can write these numbers. These are the only 6 ways we can write the numbers. Okay, we can make the numbers using the digit 2 and 3. Okay, I hope you guys have understood. Okay, next, the next topic we will study in the next video. Okay, for today, bye bye. Please, if you guys have any query, please revisit my channel and watch the videos. Okay, and if you guys have to revise for your examination, okay, you can fast forward my video and easily completed in a faster manner. Okay, you will able to understand each and every concept step by step, each and every concept step by step. So you, for the topic, whatever topic you are studying, the each and everything will be cleared, each and everything will be cleared. Okay, so have a wonderful day ahead, guys. Please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, bye bye, take care.